cold snowy day. I might see what the two are up to. How's it going, guys? How is the stuff for our Christmas party going along?
Going pretty well, Lil'Petey. We got the last-minute adjustments to the decorations, and the food and drinks are ready for tonight.
Since we delivered the invitations a few days earlier, we're now fully ready for our yearly Christmas party.
Nice work, guys. Why don't we get our party outfits on?
Alright then, let's head upstairs then.
Wow, we look great for the party.
Now we just have to wait for the guests to arrive so we can begin it.
Later on the day,
I gotta say, guys, this is a pretty great Christmas party.
It sure is, sis. It's like the one from 2 years ago. It went great, until one of those 9 kids threw a present at me.
But we still have a good time from that party. And it looks like everyone is having fun, and we get to open presents later on in the party. What can possibly go wrong in this party?
I will ruin those 3 bad kids' quote-unquote Christmas party by unplugging and turning off the lights. Ha 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 ha, say goodbye to your festive lights, ha 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 ha.
Attention, guys, it's time for the food. Come and...
What happened to the lights?
oh my goodness, it's so dark in here, I can't see a fin. Who would do something like this?
Ha 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 ha, enjoy the dark losers, ha 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 ha.
I think I know who did it. Violy did this. I'm calling her parents right this minute. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Anderson. This is Lil'Petey calling about your daughter Violy ruining our Christmas party by unplugging the lights. Can you ground her when she gets home? Thanks, goodbye.
Don't worry, everyone. The situation has been solved. We'll turn the lights back on.
Yahoo! The party is saved, guys.
We can resume since no one is here to ruin it anymore.